Today we will discuss in very detail the very important topic in Python. Like we can say the basic of the language, that what are data types and what are the objects. Like everyone have know-how of the data type and objects. But specifically in Python, if we talk about data types, so we are saying that data types. So we are saying that Python have 12 built-in data types. How many 12 built-in data types? We will discuss each one by one, but in further videos, not today. Today just we will talk about string data types, 12 built-in data types. So we are saying that the 12 include the 4 numeric data types. Four numeric data types. Numeric data types include, we all have very well know-how about int, float, boolean. But it also include one more the numeric data type, that is complex. We will also discuss what is complex data type. Next we are saying that 4 sequence types. This was 4 numeric data types. Now we have 4 sequence data types. 4 sequence data types are string, list, and string, list, range, and tuple. Tuple is, I guess, new. Next we have one mapping type. One mapping type include dictionary. Then we have 2 set types. Set types. These are the 12 built-in data types. We are saying that in Python we have 12 built-in data types, and we can also have user-defined data types. User-defined we can create on our own. We can create function or classes. Next we are saying that what are the objects. Like we are saying that in Python everything is object. In Python everything is object. And then we are saying that an object has specifically 3 things. Like we are saying that type, value, and identity. An object have 3 things, that type, value, object have 3 things. 3 things, what these things are. It will have a type, it will have a value, and identity. From the example we will know that, for example, we are saying that anything like greet, we are saying that it's a string data type. We are saying that greet equals to hello world. What does this mean? We are saying that we have created an instance of object that is greet, and we have given it a value that is hello world. What is basically greet identity is hello world. Basically, hello world is the value as well as the identity of string data type, which is greet. Greet is pointing towards hello world, or we can say that hello world is the identity of greet. So this is basically an object have 3 things: its type, its value, and its identity. So we are saying that everything in Python, whatever that is, a function, an object, a user defined, everything we will consider it an object. The second concept that you all must know, that there are two type of objects, that are mutable and immutable objects. And immutable objects. So what basically is, we are saying that mutable objects such as list can have their values change. Like we are saying that, for example, we have list. list. We are representing any list of fruits, list of vegetables, anything. Then we are saying that we can change it. We can change its value. So they are mutable objects. We can change the value, so we consider this mutable objects. Like we are saying, first of all, we have done that list of fruits are apple, mango, and then we are saying that list dot append, like we have to add another fruit name, kiwi, so automatically when will output the value, so list will also add the value which we had given a new value. So what does it mean? It mean that objects, mutable objects, are those objects which can change its value. For example, we are saying that a list equals, let's say that's just an example to make you understand what I'm talking about. List of fruits, we are saying that, like we are saying it have orange, so then we are saying that if we will say that a list dot append, I guess append I have been written like that. If we are saying that list dot append anything here, then what does it mean? When we'll output the list, so it will give us the orange, mango, as well as the next fruit name. What it has done, it has changed the list now. The list was containing 2 fruit names, now it will contain 3 fruit names. So what does it mean? That we are changing. But if we talk about what is basically immutable object, immutable mean we cannot change its value. We can get its the value which will assign, but we will not change its value. For example, we are saying that string, we are saying that greet equals to hello world, and we are saying that string dot, we are saying that greet dot count what, count hello. So we are saying that in greet contains the value identity hello world. Then we are saying that greet dot count, we are using the count function, and we are saying that count hello. It will, what will be the output? It will output us, output will be 1. What does it mean? That hello is only one time in the list. So it means that mutable objects are those objects